Hey, beautiful people. So welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Rickita, and I go over building your credit, getting credit cards without them even checking your credit scores or even giving you a hard inquiry, how to remove inquiries from your credit reports, how to actually buy a house. I go over all these different things. So please go ahead and let me know if you like this video. Let me know if this is your first time watching it. Go ahead and leave me a comment saying, hey, I'm new, or just saying hi. That's just the nicest thing that you can do, just say hi. So don't forget, I have my monthly drawing. So my monthly drawing is on the first of every month. If it's a holiday, then we're going to have a drawing again that day. But in this video, I want to go over how to get credit cards with like a low credit. So how to get credit cards with low credit, or credit cards for low credit. So if you have low credit, your credit is really low, and you're like, oh my gosh, can I even get a credit card? I'm going to teach you how to get credit cards without them even checking your credit score or even looking at your credit reports in general. Because if your credit score is bad, honestly, you got to get a secure credit card. So I'm going to go over the secure credit card that you're going to have to get, but stick around to the end. I'm going to show you how clients are getting approved for credit cards without them even pulling their credit reports, without them even checking to see what's on their credit. I'm going to show you how they're doing that. So the first credit card that I want to talk to you about is a credit builder card. Now with this card, when you go ahead and apply for this credit card, they're going to send you a credit card in the mail. So the credit card they'll send you a credit card with a limit of $200. You're allowed to have two of them too. So that allows you to actually apply for two of these different credit cards, but you have to put your money up front. Don't forget, all these secure cards, you have to put your money up front. So if I say, oh, you can get a $200 credit card, that's because you put $200 down on it. So keep that in mind. But with the credit builder card, like I said, you apply for it. They're going to report to the credit bureau in as little as 2 weeks. So that's good, especially if you're trying to boost your credit score up. Because your credit score is low, that's probably because you do not have credit right now. You probably got negative items. If you have negative items, definitely call or text me. Look down in the description and sign up so we can start repairing your credit. You can start removing them negative items from your credit report. Another thing I want you to think about too is maybe you just maxed out your credit cards too. Bring your credit score up by just paying down your credit cards. So when you apply for this credit card, in 2 weeks, they're going to report it to the credit bureau. Since it's a $200 credit card, I do not want you to spend more than $10. If you spend more than $10, it's going to be hurting your credit. So I want you to make sure you don't spend more than $10 on this credit card. Now, the next credit card that I want to talk to you about is their secure credit card with Capital One. So Capital One would allow you to have a secure credit card with them. Your initial deposit will be $200. Well, your initial line will be $200. They have an option of saying, hey, we're going to look at your credit. We're going to see where it's at. And if it's not so bad, we'll tell you to put $49 down. If it's in the middle, we don't know, we'll tell you to put $99 down. But $200 is the amount that we need you to put down if it's like that. But remember, too, sometimes Capital One can deny people. Usually with the credit builder card, they're not checking your credit, so you're not getting that denial. But if you're in Wisconsin, you can get the credit builder card. I meant to tell you guys that. If you're in Wisconsin, you can get the credit builder card. But remember, stick around to the end. I want to show you how you can get pre-approved for credit cards without them actually checking your credit. So when you go ahead and apply for this, they'll let you know how much you have to put down. All you have to do is send the money to them, and then they'll go ahead and they'll send you a $200 credit card. Now, listen, if you pay your bill on time for 5 months and you keep the balance low, don't spend more than that 5% because you have a $200 credit line. That means you should spend more than $10. So if you don't spend more than $10, then you should be able to get a credit card with them without them actually, keeping it as a regular secure credit card, because with the credit builder card, they're going to keep it as a regular secure credit card. But if you make sure that you pay on time, so for the 5 months, you make sure every month you pay on time. Every time you make that payment, you're one step closer to getting a regular credit card. And they're going to send your money back, and they're going to give you a regular credit card, and they're going to boost your limit. So usually they're going to send you to like a $500 limit. Sometimes higher, depending on how good you are and then how much your credit went up. Now, another secure credit card that you can get is you can get the secure credit card with the Discover It Secure credit card. Now, with this credit card, it's kind of different. The reason why I said it's kind of different is because what they're going to do is you can graduate with this card. But if you had a bankruptcy before, it's different because they don't like, if you had a bankruptcy, they kind of don't like to deal with people that had bankruptcy. They tell you to wait 2 years and then apply for them. So it's different because, so the reason why you're getting a secured credit card is because you probably had a bankruptcy before. My credit is low. You might say, what the heck? How am I not going to get a credit card, Rickita, if I have to start with a secured credit card? But, since, I have a bankruptcy on there, there's no way I can get a credit card. Then I want you to stick around to the end because I'm going to tell you what we got to do for something like that. But the Discover It is a secure credit card that you can get. And with this credit card, too, you see the other one is limited at $200. This one actually does not limit you in terms of, you only have to get a $200 credit card. I believe they let you go all the way up to $2,500 that you can put down on this credit card. And then, like I said, too, it's a refundable deposit because if you keep making those payments on time, they're going to be able to give you a regular credit card. Now, one of the other credit cards I want to tell you about is the Open Sky credit card. So if you're trying to get a secured credit card and you're getting denied, I want you to apply for the Open Sky credit card because they don't deny people. They're going to give you that credit card as long as they can verify your identity. Now, when I say they're going to give you that credit card, they're going to ask you to put down a deposit from $200 all the way up to $3,000. Remember, when you do a secured credit card, you don't have to have some huge deposit. You just need to get your foot through the door with a credit card and keep the balance low, and that's going to boost your credit score up. So Open Sky is another option, especially if you're in Wisconsin, you couldn't get the credit builder card, then I suggest you go ahead and try to get the Open Sky credit card. Now, listen, I'm going to tell you a bonus. Remember I told you I was going to tell you how to get cards without them checking your credit score. If you want to get credit cards for low credit, I'm going to teach you how to do that. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to keep an open mind and just watch me do it. And then I want you to try it and see if it works for you. And if it works for you, definitely put down a description to let other people know that you tried it and it actually worked for you. Put the trick work, and that way I can know it worked for you. So I want you to go to factortrust.com. Now, let me go back to the original screen. So when you go to factortrust.com, this is what it's going to look like. Go ahead, look down the description, and you'll be able to see the Factor Trust. I want you to opt in. When I say opt in, I want you to opt in saying, yes, send me offers. I want to get credit. So when you opt in, they're going to send you offers in the mail, and you're going to be able to do this trick that I'm going to show you. So the only thing that they're going to need from you is your name, your address, social security number, and your date of birth. Now, Factor Trust is like a credit bureau. So don't forget to, it's the alternative credit bureau. It's what they call it. So they usually do like check cash in places, things like that. But they're going to be able to send your information to the credit card companies and you're going to be able to get offers. So go ahead and click opt in and make sure it's opt in. Do not opt out. If you opt out, it won't work for you. So go ahead, put that information in. I told you have to put in your first name, your last name, your social security number, your date of birth, put your address in and put your email address in and click confirm. After you do that, then I want you to clear your cookies on your computer or on your phone. So I want you to click the three dots at the top and I want you to go to settings. And then I want you to type in POP. So go ahead and type in POP and you're going to see that it's going to highlight here at the bottom and say pop-up. So I want you to click here, scroll to the bottom, click on pop-ups and redirects, and I want you to allow pop-ups. I want you to allow it. Because what we're going to do is we're going to pop up saying that you're pre-approved for a credit card. And they're not going to check your credit score, and they're not going to pull your credit reports. So go ahead and exit out of here and put pop up one more time. So go ahead and put pop in. And I want you to click right here where it says clear browsing data. Go ahead and click there, and I want you to clear your data. So go ahead and clear your data, but since I don't want to clear my data because it's going to erase all my passwords and I want to keep my passwords. So I want you to click clear data, but I'm going to click cancel and I want you to open a new incognito window. So open a new incognito window. When you open a new incognito window, I want you to try this website first. If you can get the website on this if you can get the pop-up on this website, that means that you could possibly get the pop-up on the 60 other websites that's out there. So go ahead and put Victoria's Secrets in, victoriasecrets.com/US/. Go ahead and put that in. Now, since we're on this website, what I want us to do is I want us to put $200 to $250 worth of items in the cart. Now, I want you to go ahead and hover over sleep because I get the same item every time. Hover over sleep. Go ahead and put cami sets in. And you see how you got this pop-up here? That basically means that you're getting pop-ups, but this is not the pop-up that I want you to get. It just shows that we allowed the pop-ups correctly. So X out of that. And I want you to go ahead and click here on this candy set here. So I'm going to click here because I want to get this one. And remember, when I say go and get this one, we're not going to get it. We're going to like we're going to get it, and they're going to say, hey, you're pre-approved to get a credit card, because that's only because they think we're going to spend money with them. So go ahead and pick the color that you want, pick the size, pick the number that you want, the number of items you want. So I'm going to add this to the bag. So as you can see here, we are $198. So when they add the taxes, I will be between that $200 and that $250. So I'll be fine. So let me go ahead and click checkout. And then I want to check out as a guest. Now, you see here, that same information that you put into Factor Trust, I want you to put that same information here. And after we put the information in, we're going to click Continue to Delivery. So let me go ahead and type the information in here, the client's information that I have, where I was able to get them the same credit card. So what I want you to do is just put the same information here that you put in before the Factor Trust. And remember, too, there's more than just this one credit card. I just want you to use this company because it's an easy company that you can try, and it will give us a, it'll give us a feel of if you're able to do this trick. So let me go ahead and finish putting this information in. I'm on the email address. We're almost done. So go ahead and put all of your information in, and I want you to go ahead and scroll down and click Continue to Delivery. After you click here, we should get that pop-up. So this is the pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. So if you're able to get this pop-up, that means that you're able to get pop-up from other companies. So some of my clients, and if you're new to my channel, you can go ahead and look through my videos. It's something called the shopping cart trick. There's so many videos that I made on my channel to show you how you can actually do it. So what I want you to do is I want you to look and see if you can get this pop-up. If you can get this pop-up, that means you get the other credit cards too. So if you ask what credit cards can you get for low credit, these are those credit cards, because they're not going to know that you have low credit. These are the credit cards that you can get for low credit. So I want you to go ahead and pick which credit card you want. If you're a woman, go ahead and get it. If you're a man and you got a wife that would love it, just go ahead and get it too. A lot of times people, they don't understand that you just want credit cards on your credit report. You don't necessarily want to spend them. You just want them. And this can be one of those credit cards. So go ahead and pick which credit card you want, and you want to click Accept Now. After you click Accept Now, I want you to go ahead and put in your date of birth and put in the last 4 digits of your social security number. So after you put this information in, you're going to click right here, check right here, saying that you read all this information, but go ahead and read this information and click Finish and Submit for Review. After you click Finish and Submit for Review, they're going to let you know, hey, congratulations, you're approved for a $1,000 Victoria's Secret credit card. You're approved for $500. They're going to let you know right away how much you're actually approved for. As soon as you find out how much you're approved for, then they're going to say, go ahead and spend it now. I don't want you to spend it now. I just want to show you this trick so that you can go ahead and get this credit card added to your credit reports. But remember, the key to this is that you want to opt into Factor Trust. So here's Factor Trust in here. You want to make sure that you're opting into Factor Trust. After you opt in at Factor Trust, they're going to send your information to all these different credit card companies. And don't forget, I got the guide in the description where you can be able to get those credit cards. So go ahead and see if you can get the pop up, because after they send your information over, you're going to be able to try to do the shopping cart trick. And remember, if you ever have any questions, go ahead and call or text me and let me know in the description if you're able to get the trick to work for you. So go ahead and put, yeah, I got the trick to work, and let me know how much you got approved for, so that other people can actually see that it worked. But remember, you can go through my channel and you can go through some of my older videos. You can see, oh gosh, this really worked. I got to try it. And then go ahead and try it and see if you're able to get approved for these credit cards. And remember, subscribe, like, and drop your Cash App. I have the drawing every first of the month. Bye-bye.